Despite a global financial crisis, a deep Greek recession, and 2 multi-year construction stoppages, the €1.4 billion, 202-kilometer Olympia Odos Motorway was completed in 2017, following a decade of Herculean efforts. Stretching along the mountainous Peloponnese coastline and developed to replace an old national highway widely known as the Highway of Death for its high rate of fatal accidents, Olympia Odos is one of Greece's largest and most critical P3 concession projects. The motorway links 2 major ports and connects Peloponnese with the rest of Greece and Europe, becoming a vital part of the Trans-European network. The projects included 29 interchanges, 29 tunnels with 26-kilometer and 2 million cubic meter of tunneling, 242 underpasses and overpasses, 80 bridges between 50 meters and 200 meters, and 148 kilometers of retaining walls and reinforced slopes. The project team faced daunting challenges, including high seismicity and complicated geological conditions, complex traffic arrangements while constructing, 3.4 million square meters of land expropriations, and 15 million cubic meters of earthwork, and 430 kilometers of archaeological trenches. Addressing these challenges required innovative designs and procedures, streamlined agency coordination, and team building. Olympia Odos is a model of new generation sustainable and socially responsible motorways. Having employed 3,500 designers and workers for over 25 million man-hours, the new motorway leaves northern Peloponnese with many positive environmental, social, and economic impacts. It boosts exports and agricultural production and offers an upgraded connection to archaeological and tourist areas. Most significantly, it has achieved more than 80% reduction in fatal accidents. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the Olympia Odos Motorway as an OCEA finalist.